Meaghan and Brennan have invited you here to this beautiful place to show you a glimpse of an important piece of their love, to share with you the trails, woodlands, clear lakes, and lovely beach at this stunning park where they have shared so many precious memories during their years together. Whenever we attend a wedding, we are given the opportunity to reflect on our own relationships. We might look at the couple before us and be tempted to compare their love to the quality of our own relationships. But the truth is that every relationship is as unique as the individuals in it. But one thing holds true. For love to exist between two people, each person must allow the vulnerability of giving his or her love to the other, and each must be open to receiving the other's love in return.
Every day I'm reminded that I am the luckiest man alive because I am with you. If you would have told me from the first time I met you when I was 14 years old that we would be together, I would have laughed, but from the moment we started dating, I knew that I would be standing here today marrying you.
You accept me for who I am, faults and all, and there is no greater feeling than knowing someone loves you as your truest self. I have never wondered what my life would be like without you, because from the beginning I always knew it would be you at the end of the aisle.
This ceremony today is not magic. It will not create a relationship that doesn't already exist and has not been celebrated in all the commitments that Brennan and Meaghan have made to each other, both large and small, in the days since they first met. What we are celebrating today is not the beginning of a marriage, but a marriage already in progress. This ceremony is a symbol of how far they have come together and a symbol of the promises that they will continue to make each other throughout their lives together.
As you all probably know by this point, Green Lakes is pretty special to our family. There was one time that Meaghan, Brennan, and I were walking around Round Lake with their dog Gracie, and there was a moment when they had stepped ahead of me. And I could look and I could see how much they loved each other, how comfortable they were with each other. And it's just something that really, I took a moment. It's like, these two are made for each other.
With that, I now pronounce you husband and wife. May kiss.
Meaghan, I have apprenticed him as much as I can, so I'm going to leave him in your capable hands, and I'm going to finish up with a quote. People are weird. When we find someone with weirdness that is compatible with ours, we team up and we call it love. So with that, if everybody could raise a glass, and here's to Brennan and Meaghan.
Brennan and Meaghan, it's obviously you truly love each other's company and we're meant to be together. I offer my congratulations as your journeys in husband and wife and wish you nothing but the very best going forward.
So Brennan, as my husband, I promise to love you with all that I am for the rest of my life. I promise to fight for our love, because when I say my soul truly yearns for yours, I mean it. You complete me. I love you.
I promise to love you with all of my heart, to love you more and more each day as if it were my last. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you.
I love you.
Love you too.